The Advantage Connect 6024N and 6115 can be paired with a smartphone or tablet using a Bluetooth connection and our free ADC Home App. If you haven't already downloaded the app and paired your monitor, check out our companion video, Installing the ADC Home App. When you open the app, the most recent reading will display on the home screen. The screen will display the date and time, systolic and diastolic pressure, pulse rate, average of all readings stored in-app, Bluetooth indicator that will turn green when monitor is syncing, settings and help, list mode button, graph mode button. You can select either one of these to add a manual reading. The colored bar at the top will show where your reading falls on the American Heart Association's color-coded hypertension scale. If you click on the reading, you will get another view of the color-coded scale. To learn more about the American Heart Association's color-coded hypertension scale, tap on the bar. You can use the comment field to add notes to a reading. Tap Save when finished. List mode allows you to see all of your readings in chronological order. The icons provide additional insights for each reading, such as identifying average mode readings, manual entries, or readings with an irregular heartbeat. If you want to delete a single reading, tap the reading you want to delete and then tap Delete. If you want to share a reading, tap the reading you want to share and then tap Share. If you want to delete more than one reading at a time, tap Select first. This will allow you to choose multiple readings at a time. Graph mode allows you to track trends over time. You are able to view your trends by week, month, year, or your entire history. Graph mode even allows you to tap a specific entry to get that date's reading information. Use the Filter By button in Graph mode or List mode to sort by AM or PM readings. This feature is useful for observing morning hypertension. You are able to use the app to set daily health or other reminders. Tap the Settings icon and then tap Add Reminder. Enter the note and time of your reminder. Tap Done and then tap Save. The app will send you a notification with the reminder every day at the time you have scheduled. The sound and volume of app reminders is determined by your device, so check your phone's notification settings to make changes. If you want to edit or delete a reminder, tap the Settings button, tap the reminder you want to edit or delete, then tap Edit or Delete. The ADC Home App doesn't just allow you to sync your readings with your monitor, you're also able to manually add readings as well. To add a manual reading, tap the plus button and enter the reading. Note the date and time and add any comments if you'd like. Tap Save when finished. If the reading is the most current reading, it will display on the home page. If it's an older reading, tap List to view it. Readings entered manually will be marked with the manual entry icon. If you ever need help using your monitor or the app, ADC is here for you. You can find in-app help by tapping the Settings icon, then selecting Help Center. Help is also available on our website at www.adctoday.com. If you need more personal help, please let us know. Our New York-based customer service team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and can be reached at 1-800-232-2670, or you can email us at info@adctoday.com.